Marijuana.
Blake Production.
Yo, let's go over some pot stock. So this is one of the more volatile asset classes that we got, right? So I wanted to bring this one up just because there's definitely potential opportunity here. So we've marked a very large low and we've come back to a major zone here on Canopy Growth Corporation, ticker WEED. This zone hasn't been hit since 2017. And we're already starting to see that little lift, right? We're starting to get that bounce. Now, pot stocks, man, I'm telling you, it's like once people see the momentum come in, they just flood it. They literally flood it. And you can tell because like look at the past, right? That massive run that happened in 2017, but we came back and we had another big run in 2020 a little bit there, right? To end the year. I remember participating in that. So we had like a long year of consolidation where, again, right? Marked the top in February. The top this was February 2021. The top was $71, and just at the end of January here in 2022, we've came as low as $8.42. So that's 88%, right? There's going to be somewhat of a bounce. Where is it going to go to? I'm keeping an eye at this major level here, $19. I have a feeling we might get stuffed around that range. Why? Is because when you look back at the chart, that is our major resistance point. So I'm going to mark this one out real quick. There's major resistance right here. So this is peanuts. That I think this will happen fast. The opportunity is here and it's right now. That's like 130% trade, right? So keep in mind when the volatility in the pot stocks is like, it happens so quick that like you might miss this, but keep in mind if it does come up here and you want to buy up here, you're at a resistance level. So we might create some sort of a consolidation starting at that point. So just be aware of that if you do happen to keep it on your watch list. And then once it's there, you want to participate. When I put up the Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low here, the golden pocket's up here. I don't think we'll make it that far, but I will be looking at the 0.382 here. So $30 is another zone, right? That fib happens to match up perfectly with previous resistance. I don't think that's coincidental. So these are the major zones that I'm watching here. I am watching to see in the coming days and weeks, are we going to fly up to 20? And then potentially, if the momentum continues, $32, major resistance in that range. So the opportunity is here. Another name I'm liking to look at is Cbdt. We had this massive falling wedge. We broke out. We back tested it. And it's real quiet. Look at the volume. Super, super low. All we need is this pot stock run to come in. And then this name is going to start flying. So keep Cbdt on the watch list here, man. I'm telling you. This name. And I believe something fundamental here that you might want to be aware of is they're a Vancouver-based company. And they have many pharmaceutical like openings in the States. So that's something that is interesting. They're in both the Canadian and the American market. Hexo. Now this name, it was on the news this morning, right? All-time lows for this stock, I'm pretty sure. And it comes on the news saying that they might get delisted from the NASDAQ. The only way they could stay on the NASDAQ is if they have longer than 10 days above, I think it's $3 or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could definitely be wrong there. But I've seen that on the news, right? And we've come down massive on this stock, right? So we've made 95%. This thing got castrated. The time could be now. Massive volume coming in on the daily. Look at this. Big spike in volume. This name is at 82 cents. $2 is not crazy for this name. It'll just fly up there, right? And think of it. For them to stay on the NASDAQ, they have to be above $3 before June or something like that. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but like something here is going to happen with this stock. And if the pot sector starts to heat up, it's a freebie. It's a freebie. So I might even roll some of the crypto gains I got into some of these names because the opportunity is looking juicy. So that's the little breakdown for the pot stocks. Peace.